Hi Deb, quick video to show you how to use stamps in Adobe. So see this menu at the side where it gives you the option to comment, fill in, sign and more tools. If you click on more tools, see along here there's this option for stamps. If you open that and see here you've got stamp, stamp palette, custom stamps. Now you could create your own here, but if you click into stamp palette, see there's a tick. If you scroll down there's a tick and a cross. So if you just click on the tick, close that, and then you can just, if you just click on it, you can place, don't close it, I think, place the tick in your document. And then that's just the first time. Once you've done that, if you just highlight it, go to edit, click copy, then you can just paste it wherever you put your cursor. Say we go down here, edit, paste. And that's how I use it in the document. I just put it in the first time, which is the slowest, and then each time you need to use it, you can just click on it and move it to where you want it to go. And you can add a comment that goes along with it. So that's all. Hopefully that's helpful. What you can do if you choose to is create custom stamps that can help as well. Hope that helps.